We can use Adobe Express to generate images based on the text. Simply log in into your free Adobe ID account, head to express.adobe.com, and then on the home page, the one with the little house icon, scroll down until you see the option Text to Image. From here, you can type your prompt. I already prepared one. Be sure it's descriptive. Then click Generate and wait a moment. As you can see, they offer us to start a free trial for 30 days. To unlock a premium feature, I will skip it for now and simply wait for my result. So here it is. That's what they generate, and they took away my credits because I'm on the free account. So I pay with 24 credits for this picture. As you can see, actually they could prepare more options here on the left in the results section. So we got some previews that we can click on to change the image we get. As you can see, I already click load more and I got 4 more options. Okay, I will click on this one and they generate a new one for me. Alright, so that's how easy it is to generate an image from the text using Adobe Express. Keep in mind, if you're on a free account like me, your options will be limited. After a while, you will run out of credits. If you are on the premium account, you can do it again and again, no worries. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next Adobe Express tutorial.